Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, welcome to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch LG LED TV. Here in this TV the complaint is bluish tint display issue. See here you can see complete blue color shade on picture. The RGB color mixing combination is not correct. This fault can't corrected through the device settings. It's a display related fault but not a panel problem. This fault is related with the backlight. Bad LED backlights are causing this issue. Now we open the TV back cover. For checking backlights we need to remove this motherboard connection and all sockets. Finally, see these are the backlight strips. There are total 2 LED backlights. See while checking the backlights with the LED checker, see it glows in bluish tint color. So we need to replace entire backlight with new LED strips. Finally, these are the new LED strips. Now let's check it using the LED checker. See friends, these LED are showing white color shade. Now let's install this. Finally, we connected all sockets, everything back to the TV. Now let's turn on the TV and check the display. See friends, after changing backlights now the display comes with clear image and the RGB color mixing combination is now correct. So that's it. Hope you liked this video. See you in another video with another interesting topic. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.